Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these 100% New Zealand wool dryer balls. So looks like you get 6 of them in this bag. We've been using them for a while. These are in place of dryer sheets. So what these are going to do is, if you've got a big load of laundry, like this is about a medium size, so you just throw 3 or 4 balls in there and then you're going to dry your clothes. You don't need a dryer sheet. What that's going to do is, as the balls are going to help separate the clothes as they're bouncing around in there. And what that does, if you got clothes that are kind of stuck together and stuff, it'll help separate it and also make it dry faster. Now, these don't have a scent to them at all. No, there's absolutely no scent to them at all. They're kind of squishy, but they're pretty dense. So let's throw them in there and see how they do. Now, you are going to notice that there is a little bit of a thumping in your dryer now. You are going to hear those balls. So I did do some timing, and the balls do take about 5 to 10 minutes off a normal drying time, but it was kind of hard to tell because different clothes carry, water in there differently. So I think it did help a little bit, but you don't get the smell that you get from a dryer sheet. It does say that they're handmade in Nepal from 100% New Zealand wool. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.